I'm back. It's Saturday afternoon, about 1 o'clock, almost 1 o'clock. I laid in the bed for a long time this morning, but I'm up because someone gifted me an elliptical machine. I'm on this Facebook website called Buy Nothing St. Pete. It's where people give stuff away. I've given a lot of stuff away. I've gotten stuff from people. I'm not above used items for the household or whatever. But anyway, she gifted me an elliptical. So I went to pick that up. What's up with the light? I went to go pick that up. And while I was out, I know I needed some fruit for the weekend. Fruit is so expensive. Publix is so expensive. Look at what I got. And these, everything was on sale except the pineapple. Everything was on sale. Pineapple, $4.89 for a little bowl like that. Strawberries were 3 for $10, but I only got 2. And I don't understand because Plant City, which is the home of the Strawberry Festival, is an hour away. There's plenty of strawberry farms around here in Florida. Why are strawberries so expensive? Now, these were on sale. And then the blackberries were on sale 3 for $10, but I only got 1. And the blueberries were on sale. I don't know what's up with the light here. On sale for $3.99. Regular price $5.99 for one of these. And I got it for $3.99. I don't know what's up with the light. Let me move this over here. Maybe that's better. I don't know. There we go. So anyway, but I bought it because we're trying to be healthy this weekend. Okay? And I bought some baby spinach. It seems like probably for the last, this past year, I have switched to eating just spinach as a green in my salad rather than the romaine or mixed greens. I like the baby spinach. I think it has more nutrients and vitamins in it, so I do spinach. These were on sale, 2 for $6, but it's nice to have. Even if I don't have any meat, I love a spinach salad with slicely thin red onions, slicely thin apple, and let me show you the dressing I use. Feta cheese and Brianna's blush wine vinaigrette dressing. That is so good. I'm not going to have a salad this afternoon because before I left, I said I was going to eat some leftover turnip greens and turkey wings from Thanksgiving that I had in the freezer. I need something hearty to eat because I'm going to be working tonight, and tonight I'm only taking fruit and nuts with me to snack on at work. But anyway, that's my little Publix small shopping haul. So I'm going to clean my fruit. I like to rinse my fruit in vinegar and water, and I'll cut everything up, and then I'll just put everything in a bowl just so that I can just get a big spoon and scoop it out and take it to work. So anyway, after I clean off my patio, which there's a lot of leaves out there, clean off my patio, I'm going to set up my elliptical, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay? Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, the pineapple, this $4.89 for that little bit of pineapple. Anyway. And I hope everything's sweet this time. Sometimes the strawberries and the blackberries are not even sweet. So put that in there. They look good. And we'll put a dash of vinegar. Come over here. Ooh, that's a lot. I'll just let these soak just for a couple minutes, and then I'll rinse them off. Back, y'all. I'm getting ready to go to work. I was not able to take a nap, unfortunately. I did lay down to rest, but I just could not go to sleep. So I'm about to fix my lunch Here's my fruit salad here. I got blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, and pineapple. And I didn't want to, some of them are not that sweet. I didn't want to put sugar on them. So I was talking to my niece. She suggested honey and lemon juice. So I had some lemons, I had some honey. So I just mixed a tad bit together and put it over my fruit. It looks good. So we're going to load up on fruit tonight. This will be good. Let me do one more scoop here. Okay, that's nice. And I said I was just going to do fruit and nuts at work, but just in case I do get hungry, I had some chicken and rice in the freezer from when I cooked maybe a couple of weeks ago. So I'm going to take that, and then if I don't eat this, I'll just leave it in the freezer at work and eat it tomorrow night. And of course I got my water here. This is, this tastes okay. This is pretty good water. This is that alkaline water here. It was on sale at Publix about a week or so ago. If I need an energy boost, I haven't tried this yet, but this is V8 Energy Orange Pineapple. It says steady energy from black and green tea. I found this at Walgreens on their dollar aisle. And I rarely get cold at work because, you know, I'll be having hot flashes. But just in case I do, I'm going to take a bag or two of this Louisiana tea, watermelon honey. I've tried it before. I think I let it seep too long. It tasted funny, but I think you only need to seep this for like 2 or 3 minutes. But I'll take a bag of that and then some macadamia nuts. These are good. Onion and garlic. These are good. So that's my lunch. I'm going to pack up. And I wanted to show you guys the elliptical that someone gifted to me. And it's getting dark, but I swept off my patio. So this is it. I do have a bike here. I don't use it too often because you can't get a good resistance on this, but it's there. But I think I'll use this more than I would the bike. So she gifted it to me. It's not electrical, but that's okay. It does have a panel, if you can see. It's not on. It'll turn on once you start moving it. There we go. There we go. So I think I'll use this more than I would the bike. So we'll see. So I'm going to leave it out on the patio. I don't necessarily have room inside the house. I mean, I have an extra room, but I would have to be back where my housemate is, and I don't want to do that. But anyway, so I'll be using that maybe tomorrow before I go to work, or actually when I come home. So anyway, guys, I'm headed off to work.